If you're working out of a shipping container, trailer, or storage container and need strong overhead storage without drilling or welding, these are worth checking out. This is the LEIFIDE 2-pack shipping container shelving bracket, and they're designed to turn unused vertical space into solid heavy-duty storage. These brackets are made from black powder-coated steel, and they feel extremely solid right out of the box. Everything is welded cleanly and nothing feels flimsy or thin. Each bracket is rated for up to 550 pounds, which is impressive for a no-bolt system. The welded hooks lock securely onto the container lashing rings, so once these are in place, they don't shift or sag. They're more than capable of holding heavy tools, equipment, boxes, or supplies. Installation is one of the biggest advantages here. These brackets require no drilling, no welding, no permanent modification to the container. They simply hook into place, which means you can install or remove them as needed without damaging anything. The horizontal support bar at the bottom adds extra stability and helps distribute the weight evenly. These are commonly used in freight and logistics, and it's easy to see why. They're perfect for hanging tools, storing parcels, organizing supplies, or adding a shelf while keeping the container floor completely open. If you're trying to maximize space without cluttering the interior, this setup works really well. The design works with many different container sizes and styles, making these useful for both commercial and personal storage setups. Alright, so this fits right in there. You may have to rotate this bottom T depending on whether the lashing ring is on the inside or the outside of the corrugation, and then you can fit a 18-inch plank across there and the next bracket. Overall, these LEIFIDE shelving brackets are strong, easy to install, and extremely practical. If you want heavy-duty storage without permanently modifying your container, these are a solid solution and a great way to make use of wasted space. I would not install them on a container that is going to be shipped or moved. It is not a permanent connection. It just hooks at the top, so it is possible for things to shift over the road.